ไม่สั้นไงภาพอะไม่สั้นตามเวลาเราเดินลองเปรียบมองเดินมองเลยแต่ไม่ใช่ล้มเครื่องพังเห็นอะไรไหม
Crazy, isn't it? Are you guys coming in today?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I think one of us is in there for.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, if you like, yeah. No problem. Hello.
ไม่ไรให้เราได้ Don't forget to like and subscribe.
for you อย่างนี้
So, I mean, the cash.
By the way, on.
Okay.
Oh, you got
จับให้มันแน่นๆ
First, let's check out this cauldron. It looks really old. It looks like a century old or something. Made of like even short thread.
You got it.
That's number 99. That's the introduction.
Oh, and Dummy, you've got one of these to fill in. It's like a little quiz. Explorer quiz. Oh.
Okay when do that then วางบันได
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Darwin's got that. Have you got one more for Darwin if he uses it?
ดาไว้ดาวินจะใช้นี่ไหมลูก
Leave it
มันให้
there.
ฟัง press the play button
ฟังใช้ทำไม
ฟังเวลาเขาจะบอกอธิบายว่ามันมีอะไรบ้างไง But do you have
What?
do you have everything
No, I think it's like a phone, I think. Yeah.
Right, see you in a bit, thank you. Oh, nice. Hello there, folks. I'll just get you all scanned through today. That'll be 1, 2, 3, and no worries.
And another one.
Perfect, no bother.
That's great. Thank
All right,
you.
enjoy your visit. Take care. Thank you. No worries at all.
Dad, can I go check in there first?
What's that, mate?
That's charging.
Don't know.
Nice.
Don't know. Your
Clean
return there. Oh.
And now you did good. Did you want a guide? I'll get you a clean one here if you'd like. I'll get you a clean one here. Yeah, these are all returns on the first.
This one is like.
Before wedding.
Yes.
Dad, is that a well? Dad,
Oh yeah, so he come up.
Yeah.
never seen so deep things. Dad, can I see what's inside it?
If you like, yeah.
How deep it is?
You see the same?
That's really deep.
Oh yeah, look, you can see the coins at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Wow, that really is a deep well, isn't it? So look, do you want to do this? Because look, you can key in a number here. Hang on.
Does it tell you what number it is? 3. Let's find out more. Dad, can we go down there and check what's in that room? 'Cause there
Maybe
was a
on the
room
way
there.
out we can, yeah.
Why, is this all there is to see in it?
No, there's lots of other things we got as well.
Okay. Come on, let's check out more. Dad, come on, let's check out more.
I think I haven't seen it yet.
What? Come on. What did you mean? What do you mean?
Once you go up, means you can't come back.
Pass on a few benches with the well. Like that's the only interesting bit in here.
I know, but this is really old, isn't it? Cool, it's quite interesting. You think?
Yeah. I'm gonna go continue.
Doesn't take a long time to look at, doesn't it? It's just a few ancient walls
Okay.
with windows that don't have glass anymore, probably. I want to explore more. I'm not one of those people who just hangs around in one place.
Oh, really?
Well, sometimes. At home I hang around in one place.
ก็ยังไม่ขึ้นไงเดี๋ยวเราต้องขึ้นตรงนี้ต้องฟังให้จบก่อน
Still didn't have any real power. All we did made sure that behind the scenes he remained the one making all the important decisions.
This castle's been in a lot of TV programs and series and stuff. They use it.
Now the heir to the throne. Concerned about his child's safety, the king packed him off to France, but on the way James was captured by pirates.
It's one way.
They also wrote to Henry IV of England, who imprisoned him.
Coconuts. They also.
When Robert III heard the news, he became extremely depressed at the loss of his only surviving son, declaring himself the worst of kings, most wretched of men. He said that on his death he wanted to be buried beneath a river.
People do buy them.
Each of their own, I'm sure, but
Interest in Paisley Abbey.
Last week, for some reason, there's lots of people who are filming in here and then they're filming outside of YouTube stuff.
First class lorry.
People who don't know the movie.
Robert Stewart, Duke of Albany. All of which goes to show that one, or indeed several men's misfortunes,
These
can
are
be another's
storytellers in here.
golden opportunity.
There's as they were in the corner over there, so you want the darkest, coldest parts of this roof, etc. But this one's got a little staircase that goes up to the great hall there, and it goes up by the Duke's table. It's very like wine was stored in there as well. So wine probably drunk by the most wealthy. Yeah, absolutely.
And we can go in, can you?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Ooh.
We need a light. I'll turn on the light.
Basically, yeah. I mean, to be honest, it's a bit cozy, but actually, it kind of helps you find your way around. So basically, you've got the kitchen tower here. There's a
So dark. Surely there are mouses in here, aren't there? This is like one of the dungeons or something.
It may be, yeah.
What?
Safety wise.
Before you're a goner.
Yeah. So that's the
Come on.
elderberry.
Oh, is this the other
Yeah. At least in part. I guess some of the close-ups they did on the fake wall.
That's right, yeah.
Come on, Dad.
So there's
Let's go
5
up.
castles in the film, and 4 of them were here. They tried to film in other castles, but they were refused. So this is privately owned by the Murray estate. And they're like, yeah, come and film.
Oh, nice.
All the others like, no chance, you come in and do a castle.
To do with that. Yeah.
Which is funny now, 'cause they probably regret that looking back.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
No, is it? If we get
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, there is actually a folder in the ticket office down there that'll show you, so they kind of gather like press cuttings and things like that. So if you're kind of into that, that's quite worth a little flick through.
Oh man, I gotta film up these stairs.
เกิดเบอร์6ก็จะฟัง ไม่หนาเขาอีกอ่ะ มองสะดุด
It's doing one single video.
Someone.
Do you want the spiral staircase? You know that staircase? You know when we were downstairs?
Yeah.
Comes from there. That's where it goes.
Where does what go?
Into that little chamber when we went downstairs. You know that dark room we were downstairs? Yeah, down there.
Oh, so there was actually a hole that you could climb through.
Yeah. What's on here?
Nothing. Might have been like this room.
Mm.
Come on, let's go up the spiral stairs. It's lovely. Where?
This way, love. No?
There's another stair.
Yeah, this one here. You can take this staircase if you want.
Here.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Okay. Never saw this one.
Wow, look at this whole staircase. Just keeps on going, doesn't it?
It's a high dive if you like.
What's that?
You could high dive if you like.
I don't want to high dive off there.
What even was that? Is the throne still in this castle?
The throne?
Here.
I don't think there's a throne in this castle, mate.
Can't go up the rest of it.
Yeah.
But you can go through to here.
Did you go up there?
What?
What's in that room there? Can you go in?
Yeah, you can.
What's this?
What did it say? What's it say? Dad, there's a number in here, number 8's in here.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like some sort of vent. I could fit down there, but I wouldn't want to.
It's strange how small these doors are.
Well, I can't fit through them, no. This is just the rocks. Oh, there's just rocks in here. You need to get a steady grip on your foot.
I'm going to stay there and I'll take a picture of you. Ready? Go still.
Come on, we don't want the YouTube.
Oh wait, I think this is the toilet.
What, really?
I think it might be, yeah.
Why?
Oh, I don't know.
Why do you think it would be the toilet?
Because in here he says there's a privy. Privy means toilet. So what's in this room then?
Let's go down the little staircase.
One sec, wait for me. I'll hold it first.
Yeah, I know.
This is the privy. So this is where people would poop and pee. Look, just the hole that goes down.
Yeah, I know.
No, that's
If you were down there and you were standing there looking up, wondering what it was in the olden days, and you just saw a big line, it was someone's butt, and then they just put down on your face,
That's
that would
right.
be terrible. Come on, let's go down the other spiral staircase. Dad,
What's that?
let's go down the other spiral staircase.
Wait there, I'll go first, please. One second, let me just take a picture.
Of what? Going downstairs is more dangerous than going upstairs. Well, they're actually nearly the same, because going upstairs you could just fall backwards.
Well,
That would hurt a bit more than falling forward, and you could save yourself with your hands. There would be a risk of hurting your face. So basically they're both the same.
oh no, we've got a traffic jam. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh wow, these stairs, they do go on forever, don't they? Oh no. I thought we were nearly at the bottom. That's great, thank you.
Hey, wait! Oh, this is... They've gone. Come on, Dad, let's go down the other spiral, up the other spiral staircase.
Is it up? You go up?
Yeah, but you can't go down, and look, it looks like there's a... are you calling?
Oh, he's calling Mum, yeah.
This is the phone Mum's phone is the phone I'm using.
Oh.
No railings, this is dangerous.
I know.
Come on up.
Coming.
This is where we started. Come on, Dad, Mum's up here.
And Darwin says, are you calling?
เราเรียนจะใส่เข้าไปดูเขาใส่ก่อนสวยนะ
Come on, let's go up. Dad. chop chop. Well, I have to say, this is a beautiful view. This must have been a sink of some kind. Don't you think, Dad?
What's that?
This must have been a sink of some kind.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go up. Dad, what's down there? What? She went through there. I didn't see this. Oh, this. Oh, I'll get it now. Pathway across there. Probably for warriors to fight. They're moving on. Come on, Dad. Let's go. Chop chop, miss Dad. Yeah, she's gone upstairs. She went this way. Upstairs. Oh, downstairs. She's in here.
One second, now. Can you call? Sorry.
ระวังเรือค่อยๆลง
Gotta be careful with these
ดีๆลูก
spiral stairs. No, I don't think I've ever actually walked on spiral stairs before. Making me nervous. Walking on spiral stairs. Coming down to the ground here. What's down here? What's in here? Oh, that would be really dangerous. I'm making sure to check every single spot of the castle. Oh, now I understand. You can go into this room. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Fragile. Ní học đâu. Này.
ระวังวนค่อย
This must have been like a secret passageway or something. This is the closet. Another sink. Well, back to the start. Thanks for coming with me on the journey. Couldn't have had a better friend.